Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking, and today I'm ready to post another video of bloopers and behind the scene 2019. If you haven't watched the 2018 one, I'm gonna write the link down below under the video in the description box so you can watch that. And I did have a request to make more bloopers and behind the scene video. So what happened in this kitchen behind the scene and the mistake and everything, it's in this video. So hope you enjoy this as much as you enjoyed last time, and enjoy. I want to show you how to make how I make my what is this? 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. This is going out. Ready? Cut a travers. I don't know why you keep going on that side. That's an Indian version of aloo, spinach aloo, spinach, either way. You see the rasmalai is already started. You can see it's growing up. It's like it's growing up. Dip them time to time. Try to drain the water, and I'm using the same bowl. You guys have to hear this crunchiness. You hear that? Alfredo chicken fettuccine. Hi guys. Hi guys. I've fried already, and my cooked rice, like most. Just spread this on the tray so it can cool very quickly. Get some fresh air. While my fridge was firing, it's gonna taste like KFC.